Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and it's been whippy and it's been choppy, but it's been whippy and choppy in a really wide range. And if you take that 2 o'clock virus press conference out of the mix yesterday, I mean, there were some big chunks of price to be had. I mean, you know, that 2 o'clock presser or 2:30 presser or whatever it was, that felt a lot like a, you know, it felt like a lot like a Fed announcement or a you know, something dramatically more confusing. They whipped it up and whipped it back. What we were able to do into the close and get into a really nice long at our upper level at 68.5, and we rode that back up. They rode it right back up into the pre-FOMC price at 86.5. They spent the night challenging the roundy, challenging 9-day, and trying to challenge the weekly pivot, but it didn't work out. It stalled. 97.5 was the best they did. Now, what's the problem with the bears? Well, we did a lot yesterday, bears, but your low yesterday was 32.39.75. That's not below 33. So the weekly low is still intact. You can see what they did yesterday. Just a bunch of lower highs, a bunch of higher lows. It finally broke out, but it leveled off up here. Didn't take out these key areas here. It's wound back down. So we're still in a range. We're still in a range. It's a nice wide range where you can grab a lot of handles, and you don't need to overthink it too much. And now, into the open this morning, we're gravitating into, right around that hourly mid-band, which remains important in and around daily pivot. So, I'm going to be, I'm going to be kind of a broken record here. What does everybody need to do? Well, bulls, go take out weekly pivot. How many attempts up at 3,300 do you need? Bears, you are noise until you take out that 33. You just are. So, and bisecting this entire conversation is the daily mid-band at 32.82. So that's coming through right around here. So we've traded on either side of it this morning. If the goal for Friday is to battle on either side of the daily mid-band, then it's going to be a pretty choppy day. And with the week and everything that we've had, we don't need to trade today, guys. We can be absolutely done. We're on the beach, to say the least. The key area is off the open. In addition to having the daily mid-band up there at 82, sorry, I got distracted there. We just had personal income, employment cost index, PCE, all that stuff, and the tape really hasn't budged. So it's not focused. It's not focused on the econ, which we've known for a while. It's focused on the virus, and before that, it was focused on trade. So 32.82 is your daily mid-band. Volume weighted average price comes in 81.32. Hourly mid-band about 80.5. So this 80 to 82 area is going to be really important off the open. I'm expecting it to be a little whippy, a little choppy, and we'll see what it wants to do from there. So that's basically the marching orders. It's all going to gravitate around here, 80 to 82. If you win that, if you win this, and if you even take it down to our proprietary moving average or the 5-minute band, it's 74 to 82. You win that zone, you win the day. We may take a trip up to either end of things today. When it gets going, it can be pretty unpredictable. So respect risk, pay attention to price, don't get too ideological either way, and just trade the volatility that's been given to us. It's it's a nice volatile trading tape. Take your profits where you find them, and everybody have a fantastic weekend. I'll have some more stuff out on social. Check that out. Come check out the room. Do yourself a favor. February is Monday. If you're not doing 20 handles a week on average in trading the E-mini, and this is what you do, you need to come on in. You need to come on in and give it a shot. I think you'll pleasantly like what you find. So take care. Trade them well. I'll see you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.